Alright, so this is the screencast for Cast Science Writer. So when you go to sciencewriter.cast.org, it'll bring you to a page and it's going to either ask you to sign up or you can take a tour. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. I signed up. And it's free to make an account, so you can just use whatever username and password and email you would like. You can click to take a tour. And this is something you can do before you sign up or after you sign up. And it's just a short video that shows you exactly everything that you can do with this tool. Up here, you can go to Project Home, Help, or Journal. And then below here are all the features. So there's a lot of cool things that Cast Science Writer allows you to do, and it really helps and supports the writing process for both regular writing and then also for like lab journals and lab reports. So it helps you draft, revise, and edit reports, helps students. There's sentence starters that will help them get started. There's a journal that they can use to reflect or keep notes about their progress or make comments. And then there's this text-to-speech application, which will allow them to play back what they've already typed in there, so they can hear back what they're saying and make sure that it sounds right. I can also read the directions and stuff like for them. And then here are the animated helpers, which are a little juvenile, but they really definitely help with the process and guide students along while they're doing this. So I'm going to click Start a New Project so we can go through this together. So I'll just name the project name Sample. And then there's the different sections. So you can choose research question or hypothesis. And then in your report, there's introduction. You can choose methods or procedures, results, and then conclusion or discussion. So in my class, we use introduction, methods, results, and then discussion. So I will click save, and then we'll go to next. So it says to the student, scientific inquiry begins with a question. So this is the drafting station, right? And so there's Max and there's Sam that they can help out, or they can sample Max's or Sam's report. So let's click on Max's report.
I am a scientist, but most people think I am just a dog. They see me at the pond and throw sticks in the water for me to fetch. I am curious about how many sticks get thrown on the pond during the year. So my research question is about the study to see how many sticks people throw in the pond. I wrote one sentence in the form of a question to help me focus on my research.
So if students were to click on Max's report or Sam's report, they'd actually be guided through this process, and that can be definitely helpful, especially for our students who have never written a lab report or done scientific writing before. Our friend Echo or Eco over here also will give us hints. So we can do our research question. So we'll click save. Go next. So then you can revise. So maybe you, as the teacher, gave them feedback about the research questions, so then you can go back and revise it to make sure that it's testable. And so there's revising checklists and hints and stuff over here. And then again, you can have the students use the text-to-speech converter so that they can hear back what they wrote or hear the directions. So
how useful are PLCs?
So it read my science question, and the students were able to hear that back. And then it could bring them through all the different sections: introduction, methods, results, and discussion, prompting them to draft, revise, and edit all along the way. So this is definitely something that you can use while in class. You can have students sign up, and this is something that they can use at home. Obviously, it requires a computer, but I think that this is going to be something that really focuses on reading and writing and drafting and revising. That will be helpful for them in this class, and then they can also use their accounts to, use this to help them write in other classes as well. And obviously, it supports our curriculum, and it supports rich and rigorous conversations and the Common Core curriculum.